Hello everyone, welcome to Bake with Chef by Apka Malaysia. My name is Angelo Van Toorn and today I'll be showing you how to make sandwiches for high tea. To make the egg salad for our tea sandwich, we have boiled eggs, mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. So to begin making our egg salad sandwich, very simple. We have some hard-boiled eggs. We're just gonna start chopping up our hard-boiled egg. We're going to add in some mayonnaise and mix until we have a salad. We want this consistency to be a bit stiff, so it's gonna be easy for us to cut later on. So we don't want to add too much mayonnaise, but just enough to make sure it's nice and moist. So now we can season with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. You can also add some cayenne pepper or Parmesan cheese or chives if you like. You can add a lot of things, even diced onions or tomatoes. It's really completely up to you. So here we have our milk bread that we made, sliced lengthwise. So if this were the loaf, we slice this way to get a solid piece the size of a ring. Now you don't have to use a ring when you're building these sandwiches, but it's just gonna make everything a nice and more even. So we'll put one piece of bread inside the ring first, and then we'll start filling with our egg salad. So now we're just gonna press out our egg salad to evenly fill the sandwich. We're going to take another piece of bread, press on top. Now you can press evenly. So now our egg salad sandwich, we've trimmed the side. It's time for us to trim into the final shape. So we're gonna cut this to 5 cm in the width. And then 5 cm in the length, square. So we'll just trim them to 5 cm squares. Then we can have half of a cherry tomato and we will skewer. Together. After we place the skewer, we can also take a little bit of microgreens